We all got this discussion on design thinking approach for designing the analog to digital converter for sensors. So in this discussion, we are going to give a solution for sensor output that is to be converted from analog to digital, because all the sensor outputs we are using are analog signals like pressure, temperature, light, etc. So these are the signals to be converted to digital because we process the signals in processors in digital format only. So we need to convert the signal to from analog to digital. So we need a efficient ADC circuit for these IoT based sensor circuits. So you are going to give a design thinking approach from empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing all in detail one by one. So I'm going to talk about the empathize part of analog and digital convert. The first step is to understand the user and their needs. A biomedical designer needs an ADC to convert temperature data, and a IoT designer needs an ADC to consume less power for battery assumption. Understanding these needs, we can define what type of ADC and the specifications are required. So let us move to the second part of the design thinking approach. So that is the define part. So in define part, we clearly identify and describe what is the problem faced. And the main goal is to understand the problem and what we need to design. So for our project, the problem we defined this to design an ADC circuit based interface circuit that accurately convert the analog data of a temperature sensor into a digital data for the microcontroller to process. So this means our system takes the analog data of the temperature sensor and convert it into the digital data for the microcontrollers. So for our project, there are 4 key requirements. That is, the first one is the resolution. So the resolution of the ADC must be 10 to 12 bits to give a precise reading. And next is the sampling out. So as the temperature changes slowly, we require only few samples. And the third one is the power consumption. We must design a circuit which uses only low power consumption to used in every systems. And the fourth one is communication. So it should be easily communicated with the microcontrollers with simple protocols like I2C or SV. So about the ideate part, we think of different ways to achieve the design. So possible IDC types are successive approximation ADC, where it is medium speed and resolution, better for most of the sensors, and then high and then delta sigma ADCs, which is high speed and high accuracy, better for precision measurements, and then flash ADCs, which are high accuracy, but it is very expensive, so that we can choose successive approximation ADC or sigma delta ADCs. So the next stage is prototype. In the prototype stage, we can build the working model of the ADC circuit and check how it is working in real life. So the main components we have connected is sensor, amplifier, ADC, and then microcontroller. So the sensor gives the signal based on the analog, and which is changes based on the voltage what is measured. Then the amplifier, which helps to make the signal stronger if it is too weak. Then the ADC, analog to digital converter, which converts the analog signal into the digital output numbers that the computers and microcontrollers can easily understand. The microcontrollers then reads the digital numbers and display them or convey it to the next device. So for example, if the temperature sensor gives the 0.25 volt, the ADC converts into the digital number and the microcontroller gives the number like 25 degrees Celsius. And the next part is test. In the test part, how well the ADC interface works. There are the 4 test parameters. They are the accuracy of conversions and resolutions, speed of conversions, and the power consumption. If the performance is not satisfied, and go back to design and modify the design.
And for example, use high resolution ADC and or use filter to remove the noise.
The example is for the analog to digital converter. By taking the temperature sensor LM35, the temperature can be easily processed by the microcontroller in digital form. We have discussed a design thinking approach for ADC circuit used in IoT based sensor circuit. So this ADC can be applied for the very efficient and accurate digital output. Thank you for discussing your ideas.
Thank you.
Thank you.